YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. And I got my boy Chris here with me.
Featuring that home theater dude.
That home theater dude in the house.
Yeah, I've got my first cameo up in this mug.
He's up here just admiring my beautiful Klipsch speakers.
I was up here doing work.
Yeah, if you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, because we unbox some other products as well that you may be interested in purchasing. But today, I am here to talk about something very special. You've seen the RP-8000Fs. We've used them tons in our installs. But you guys know I love Klipsch, and you know I am a custom installer, so I have access to the piano gloss finish. You can't buy this at Best Buy. You have to be a custom installer to get this particular series. I've actually never installed these or seen them in person. I've only seen pictures, so I'm excited to open them up and see as well, because the ash black finish, I have an SPL 120 right here next to me, and I'll show you them side by side. We also have the companion pieces, the 504C in piano black and the C310 ASWI, which is a really compact, hard-hitting piano gloss finish sub to match. So I'm going to open up these RP-8000Fs and show you what's inside, show you how sleek they look, and then I'll also be unboxing these other guys, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and check those out. Let's go ahead and open them up. I'm going to open them up from the bottom. That way I can just slide it right out. Yeah, so I kind of just bought these to have them because I always wanted to check them out, and then I'll just end up selling them to somebody open box. So if you're interested, go ahead and give us a call or shoot me an email. Normally the open box stuff goes pretty quick, but give you an extra little discount on there. And if you want me to put them in your house, that's even better, so I can make a video about it.
Just lift with your back. All back, no legs, and make sure you do a twisting motion too. It's a little bit of insurance for your friendly neighborhood chiropractor.
All back, no legs.
Pro tip with these, make sure you're in a tall enough room whenever you're opening these speakers, because I ran into a problem with the RF7s, that if you have a standard 8 foot roof, it's kind of a pain.
Kind of tight. Like I said, these speakers are without a doubt the best seller. One very, very important thing with Klipsch, God, there's so much fraudulent, unauthorized stuff going on the internet. I mean, you just type in almost half of the Klipsch line and it pops up on various sites. You can just go to the unauthorized list on klipsch.com to check them out. But what I'm getting at is it's very important that you purchase from an authorized reseller, because if you purchase this product, you go and spend your hard-earned money on it, and if something goes bad, you want it covered under the manufacturer's warranty. We are a direct Klipsch dealer, so you will get your full factory warranty whenever you buy this product from us and anything that we sell. We really pride ourselves on our partnerships with our manufacturers. So
yeah, these aren't empty words, guys. So if you guys are in the home theater community, you guys are in the Facebook groups, different things like that, it's heartbreaking really to hear people's stories.
Yeah.
That, you know, they wanted to save some bucks, went with a different company, and then if something happened to their actual speakers, they're not covered, and you know, they basically just have to start from square one.
Oh, these things are looking good.
Batmobile?
Oh yeah, these things look good. There's just something about those Cerametallic Woofers. You guys love them. And so do I. You got the 90 by 90 tracks of corn on here. Titanium dome tweeter. It's a quality product. Built to last.
Are you talking about the Tractrix horn?
What did I say?
Tractric?
Tracksick?
Do you realize you say that?
Tracksick?
Yeah. Tractrix horn.
Tractrix? What the heck? How do you pronounce it?
Tractrix.
Tractrix?
Tractrix.
Hold on, let's check this out here.
Go back in all 420 of your videos.
I've said the wrong thing all this time?
Yes!
Oh! Tractrix. Wow, really? Klipsch, you never told me during all of these trainings I was saying it wrong.
I probably edited like 60 videos, man. I was like, he's gonna get it right one of these days.
No, dude, I thought I had it down. Traxic.
You're gonna keep this.
As far as I'm concerned, it's a Traxic.
Dang!
I know, dude.
That's pretty dope.
That is one sexy speaker.
Looks like
I can make love to this thing right now.
Oh, good gravy. This thing was like the Batmobile.
Dude, no, seriously though. Look at this. I know you guys are sitting in front of your phone right now just going, I have to have this. And you're right. You need to call me.
Do you know the biggest upgrade that they made with this model between the old RP 280s?
Well...
Not cosmetic.
Oh, what is it?
Like, what is the most structural best thing that they've done to this speaker from the old RP 280?
Sound like you know.
Yeah.
Tell us.
So this is the predecessor of the RP 280 series, or the successor of the RP 280 series. Those are the ones that I have in the house. They were great. 8-inch Cerametallic Woofers, and they also have that 90x90 Tractrix horn. But the biggest thing in here is that with Klipsch speakers, sometimes you have a little bit of beaming, and highs are a little bit harsh. So they try to combat that by actually removing the back of the tweeter. So it makes it breathe more, and it's actually more pleasing to your ear.
Yeah, I know. They redid the
So
horn
that
system.
is the biggest difference
I didn't know that
between
they
the two.
created more space.
Yeah. They gave it the little plinth on the bottom that saves a little weight, and also looks a little different. But to be honest,
They were plastic before, right?
that was wood. That was MDF.
Oh, it was MDF.
It was a plinth.
Yeah, this is like a really sleek, good-looking aluminum, I think. That's what it kind of feels like, right?
Take a bite.
Yeah, it looks really good. This is a high-end finish. Check it out, guys.
Yeah, I remember whenever these got debuted at CES 2 years ago, I wasn't necessarily sold on it, but because the biggest thing obviously is going to be this little ring around the Rosie. So it's going to be the ring around the driver and also the actual Tractrix horn itself. So it's kind of good for some people. Some people may not like it, but I think the more I look at them, the more it grows on you.
I mean, how can you not love these?
Yeah.
I mean, these things are freaking beautiful. Okay, guys, check it out. Reference Premiere. I like the gold rings.
Can you see the Tractrix horn with that new GoPro 8?
This is still the 7.
Dang!
The 8's over there.
It's dead.
It's not dead. Alright, this is a review about the GoPros, okay?
If you guys want to buy GoPros, there's going to be links in the description.
Chris will be making money off Amazon on your purchases. So, take a look, guys. I mean, this is just gorgeous. Long story short. I mean, look at this. Look at it. Look at it.
Just look at it.
Just look at it. $100 is the only cost difference.
Yeah, I don't know why Piano Black hasn't taken off more. Like, seriously, it's one of my favorite finishes for pretty much any speaker. It really sets off the tone, and it really makes your speaker a centerpiece rather than something that is kind of just shoved in the corner.
Yeah. But you know what everybody says. Oh, the reflections.
Yeah.
The glare.
Yeah. But to be honest, if you have these things in your house, it's not really a major concern. Some people will say that, and some people will try to assuage you one way or the other, but that's their own personal agendas.
I really like the magnetic grills on here.
Magnetic grill.
Check that out.
Completely different grill cover than the old RP-280 series.
A lot better quality.
Yeah, it looks a little different. Still speaker cloth at the same time, but it's a little bit different. Kind of
Flip it around.
I kind of think it looks like old school, like kind of like a throwback, you know? Like older speakers, like from the 70s and 80s.
Yeah, like the texture of it, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. But let's be honest, most of you guys leave the grills off. Your wives may not like it,
but if you guys have kids or dogs with tails, and you guys know,
you can buy amp these as well.
Anyone with a home theater knows that their kid's gonna go ahead and poke those cones at least once.
Normally on the first day.
Yeah.
As soon as they walk into the theater.
Another thing, guys, like, do not lose these things. Some people, you know, get the job installed, they get these things all hooked up, but they take off this jumper. If you do take off the jumper, use a high quality jumper cable in its place. Don't do both, just do one or the other. So these actually control, whenever you hook up a speaker, this is the lower frequencies, these are higher frequencies. So if you want to amp these things, you can do that, but you would have to remove this jumper. But for typical normal operations, do not remove this gold jumper. Leave it there. It's going to perform the best. Otherwise, you're going to be using half the speaker, which you paid for all of it. Might as well use all of it.
Yeah, I've actually had customers to where I would show up to the job and they were so excited that they took the speaker out of the box and just threw the jumpers in the trash. Luckily, you know, we came and grabbed them out of the trash before they were actually picked up. If it'll just sound horrible. You're either going to have mid-range or you're going to have high frequency. It'll sound off. You're not going to get your money's worth, so make sure to keep those in. Alright guys, well this is the unboxing and quick review of the RP-8000S and the piano gloss finish. If you would like to purchase this product, make sure you give me a call. We are an authorized dealer for Klipsch and we really appreciate all of your support and purchases. It means the world to us. No, buy the Klipsch. There's a lot of other products we sell as well. If you're interested in those, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below because we got a whole bunch of videos for you guys. If you like the video, give us a big thumbs up. Till next time, this is Zach and Chris with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching, guys.